What's going on, guys? Man, tapping in again. It is April 27th, day 2 of LS Fest West in Vegas. We went yesterday, got rained on, so we had to shut it down early. On top of that, I used the GoPro head mount setup, and pretty much all that video is not usable. So we're gonna rock the sun visor joint till I figure that out. But right now, I gotta find a car wash to go run this car through. Touchless car wash, of course, to run some water on it. The car is absolute mess. And yeah, we on our way to the LS Fest, man, in Vegas. Catch y'all on when we get there. Let's go. Crazy windy out here. Still cold. We gotta take it easy. waste of time. First car wash, broken. Second car wash, self-service car wash, cool. I'll rinse the car off my damn self. Directions go right into an Air Force base. Both of them, just a waste of time. Good morning. Guess nobody says good morning anymore, guys. I do. Why not, right? Be polite, man. Show love. Be respectful to everyone, man. Guys, we made it to the show. We made it to the show. No car wash. The detailer don't know where it is, but the car is an absolute mess. Look, dude, from the rain. Look, bro. Absolute mess, right? Look at this, yo. It's spray detail time, though. Fuck it, I'm just gonna spray it down, man. Cause I can't be sitting like this waiting on nobody. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on so we can walk around and get some good content. It's a better day. The sky is clear, so we're good. Let's get this detail done, though. What's up? So that's it. That's the end of Holly LS Fest, at least for me. It was cool. I'm not sure who won the car show. I know I didn't, and that's fine. We just came out to have a good time, man. Got to see some friends, some family. So happy to just got to see my uncle. He brought his Grand National out. Super cool, man. So we're gonna take a little ride, man, on the way back to the room, and come with me and see what we see. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. I will continue to try to put on, get good content, man, at these car shows and stuff.